Good evening, dear students. Now we are going to see about the vitamins. Vitamins is nothing but vitamins. The name is derived from vital amines. Vital amines. So this is become a vitamins. Vitamins are small organic compounds which cannot synthesized by our body. It need to supply to our body, essential to our body. Okay, this is called vitamins. Vitamins are small organic compound which cannot synthesized by our body. It should be supplied to the body. The requirement of vitamin is not so high, but the excess or deficiency may cause the diseases. Okay, vitamin excess or deficiency may cause diseases. It is not like other carbohydrates or lipids or proteins. It is something different. It need a very small amount, small quantity, but very essential. Okay. Then vitamins can be classified based on their solubility. Vitamin can be classified into two types based on their solubility. One is a fat soluble. Another one is a water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Okay. Vitamin named may be A, D, E, K. These are A, D, E, K. These are fat soluble vitamins. Where B and C, vitamin B and C are water soluble vitamins. Okay. See, it can be stored since it's a fat soluble. It does not dissolve in water. They all four A, D, E, K. They do not dissolve in water. Okay, then we can store it in a liver and tissues. Likewise, these two B and C, vitamin B and C are water soluble. Since it cannot be stored, what is the difference between these two? It can be stored. It cannot be stored because since it's water soluble, the excess of the vitamins will come out in a urine. Okay. So water soluble vitamins B and C, fat soluble A, D and K. Then let us go to the what are the sources of vitamin, name of the other chemical or biological name of the vitamins, sources, function, deficiency, disease. What are they? The tabulation is there. We move on to the tabulation. Vitamin A. Now we are going to see the vitamin and sources, functions and deficiency diseases. Vitamin A is also called as a retinol. The sources of vitamin A, if we see, liver oil, fish, carrot, milk, Hispanic and fruits such as papaya and mango. Functions of vitamin A, if you see, vision and growth. What is the deficiency disease of vitamin A? Night blindness, xerophthalmia, keratinization of skin. Then let us move on to the vitamin B, that is B1, thiamine. Yeast, the sources of thiamine are vitamin B1, that is yeast, milk, cereals, green vegetables, liver, pork. The functions of vitamin B1, coenzyme in the form of thiamine pyrophosphate TPP in a glycolysis. The deficiency disease caused by the vitamin B1, beriberi, peripheral nerve damage. Then let us move on to the vitamin B2, riboflavin. That is sources of vitamin B2, soya bean, green vegetable, yeast, egg, white milk, liver, kidney. The functions of vitamin B2, coenzyme in the form of FMN, flavin mononucleotide, and FAD, flavin adenine nucleotide in a redox reaction. The deficiency diseases, cirrhosis, that is lesions of corner of mouth, lips and tongue. Then let us see the vitamin B3, niacin. The sources of vitamin B3, cereals, green leafy vegetables, liver, kidney. Coenzyme in the form of NAD and NADP in a redox reaction. Okay. NAD, nicotinides adenine dinucleotide. That is the deficiency disease Belligera, that is photosensitive dermatitis. Okay. Then vitamin B5, pentothenic acid. That is sources of vitamin B5: mushroom, avocado, egg yolk, sunflower oil. Then the functions of vitamin B5: part of coenzyme A in the carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. That is inadequate growth, deficiency disease, that is inadequate growth. Then let us move on to the vitamin B6, pyridoxine. The sources of vitamin B6: meat, cereals, milk, whole grains, egg. Then functions of vitamin B6: coenzyme in amino acid metabolism, formation of heme in hemoglobin. The deficiency disease, convulsions. Then let us see the vitamin B7, biotin. Vitamin B7, biotin. Nowadays this is also called as a vitamin H. What is the specialization of vitamin H? Here it is neither soluble in water nor in fat. This is specialization of vitamin H or vitamin B7 or biotin. Okay, what are the sources of vitamin B7 or biotin or vitamin H? Liver, kidney, milk, egg yolk, vegetables, grains. The functions of vitamin B7: coenzyme in fatty acids and biosynthesis. Deficiency diseases, if you see there: depression, hair loss, muscle pain. Then let us move on to the vitamin B9, folic acid. The sources of folic acid: egg, meat, beetroot, leafy vegetables, cereals, yeast. Functions of vitamin B9: nucleic acid synthesis, maturation of the red blood cells. Then deficiency diseases caused by the vitamin B9 is megaloblastic anemia. Then let us see the vitamin B12, cobalamin. It is also called as a cobalamin. The sources of vitamin B12: egg, meat, fish. Okay, functions of vitamin B12: coenzyme in amino acids metabolism, red blood cell maturation. Then deficiency diseases caused by the vitamin B12: pernicious anemia. Okay, that is a deficiency, red blood cell deficiency. Then let us switch over to the vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, ascorbic acids. The sources of vitamin C: citrus fruit, orange, lemon, etc. All citrus fruits come under the sources of vitamin C. Tomato, amla, leafy vegetables. Then functions of vitamin C: coenzyme in antioxidant, building of collagen. Then deficiency disease caused by the vitamin C: scurvy, bleeding gums. Then let us see the vitamin D, cholecalciferol D3 and ergocalciferol D2. Okay. Sources, if you see the sources of vitamin D: fish liver oil, milk, egg yolk, exposure to sunlight. Exposure to sunlight is very very essential to produce a vitamin D. So that only we are saying that no, we need to expose to the sun, not fully, but at least, because nowadays in our day-to-day life we are living in a AC, generalized AC room, or working, studying, everything. If it goes like this, the vitamin D deficiency, it will definitely causes. Then functions of vitamin D: absorption and maintenance of calcium. This is very very important. Absorption and maintenance of calcium. What is the deficiency diseases? If you see that rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults. Then let us see the vitamin E, tocopherols. Vitamin E, tocopherol. What is the specialization? It is basically vitamin E is fat soluble, but it can be solubilized in water in a laboratory. So the vitamin which can soluble in a both, like that, this question is asked, the best choice will be vitamin E, because vitamin is normally it is a fat soluble, but you can solubilized in water in a laboratory in special conditions if you upgrade. The sources of vitamin E: cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, vegetable oil. Then functions antioxidant. That is functions of vitamin E. Muscular dystrophy, muscular weakness, and a neurological dysfunction. Okay, these are the deficiency defect of vitamin E. Then let us move on to the vitamin K, phylloquinone and menaquinones. That is vitamin E, vitamin K. The sources of vitamin K is green leafy vegetables, soya bean oil, tomato. Okay. Then functions of vitamin K is blood clotting. So if blood is not clotted, it may cause death at a sudden. Okay. Uh, that is two reasons there. Over bleeding, if goes, it may causes death. Even it is clotting at a very soon, that's also causes trouble. Okay, blood, the coagulation of blood is very important. It should be in a condition. At a quick clotting also it damages, it causes death, and without clotting also it damages death. So you need to be very careful about the blood clotting. So increased blood clotting time and hemorrhage diseases. These are the deficiency diseases of vitamin K. Thank you.